Hey guys, it's Katie, your new NFT bestie. We need to talk about something since our last video, just in pertains to hard wallets, soft wallets, cold wallets. What does that mean? When you start hearing about the process of cryptocurrency and how do you hold your actual cryptocurrency, there's a few things that you need to understand. So with a soft wallet or a cold wallet or a hard wallet, whatever it may be, let's just start with the simplest one first that you automatically need to have, and that is your hot wallet, aka soft wallet. This is the wallet that is connected to your internet. This is the wallet that you're going to use whether you're going to buy or sell your NFTs. So it's very important to have one of these, but most importantly, you should be only storing inside these particular wallets what you're willing to lose, what you're willing to spend, what you're willing to accept immediately from whatever transaction that you do online. And there's a big reason why this happens. Whenever something is connected to the internet, it is more susceptible to being hacked. It's more susceptible to scammers being able to find a way to get into that particular wallet, since it's always connected to the internet, for them to find ways to steal your crypto, your NFTs, blah, blah, blah. When you are in cryptocurrency and you're holding your wallets, you need to understand you're your own bank. There's no governance of people holding and keeping your information. And rule number one, when it comes to hard wallets, cold wallets, all this information is your key phrase or seed phrase. You'll hear that a lot. It's usually anywhere from, I think, 5 to 12 letters randomly generated. You need to write it down. Do not store it online. Do not share it with anybody. I don't care what thing it's connecting to. You know, if you don't know that site, you don't know that site is legit. I can't stress this enough. Do not share your key phrase. Write it down, have it somewhere off your internet, period. Now, a hard wallet is like your pit bull. It's like your extra security system. It's like you just bought a security guards to watch your vault. And a hard wallet is something that you can disconnect from your actual computer. And it's a place that you can store outside of your computer your actual cryptocurrency, okay? And doing this and having this, basically this vault where you can store your NFTs, where you can store anything of value, make sure you disconnect it from the actual internet sites, computers, everything. Doing so, even if your computer got hacked, there's no way for them to be able to access this information. You can with your hard wallet. Make sure you get one of those. That is kind of financial advice, especially if you're going to have something of value and you want to keep it safe. Make sure you get yourself a hard wallet. Now, when getting yourself a hard wallet, make sure that you buy directly from the actual site. So Ledger and Trezor are the number one places that people go to buy their actual hard wallet. Average cost for a hard wallet, about $80 to basically have your security system, your security guards for your cryptocurrency, okay? Make sure you get one of those. I can't stress that enough. With your hard wallet that you have and you purchased, make sure you keep it in a safe place. When buying your actual hard wallet, make sure you do not buy it from a secondary market like Amazon or any other location. Make sure you go directly to the manufacturer's website. Scammers will actually sell you this on Amazon. Know your key phrase. This is your security word to get in and unlock all your stuff. And then they'll sell you this actual hard wallet. And then later on, go in and hack you. So get it directly from the actual manufacturer. Brand new from the manufacturer. So ledger.com or trezor.io, go directly to that site. I just want to put that information in there. When you're starting to get into NFTs, you're starting to really get into crypto, make sure that you do this. This will possibly save you so much money from I'm just looking out for you as a friend. I'm just looking out for you, and I want you to be as safe as possible in this cryptocurrency space. If you guys find my videos helpful, informational, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let YouTube know to put this on top of the algorithm of people trying to search for this information so that it can help somebody else out. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.